News out of UCLA, the Bruins have fired head coach Jim Mora. Our Jill Arrington joins us now with the latest on this. Jill.
Yeah, from one story at UCLA to another. After USC defeated UCLA 28-23 last night in the Crosstown Showdown, the Bruins decided it was time for a coaching change. They relieved Mora of his head coaching duties today on his birthday. If it's any kind of consolation present for Mora, though, he'll be paid $12 million as part of a contract buyout. Mora won 29 games in his first 3 seasons, the most in school history, but he was just 17-19 in his last 3 years. Offensive coordinator Jedd Fisch will serve as interim head coach for the team's final game of the season on Friday against Cal. Now, UCLA Director of Athletics released this statement, which reads in part, "Jim helped reestablish our football program and was instrumental in so many ways in moving the program forward. While his first 4 seasons at UCLA were very successful, the past 2 seasons have not met expectations. We thank Jim and his family for his service to our school and his unquestionable commitment to our student athletes." And we'll have more on the firing later in the show, including who is on UCLA's short list to replace Mora. Peter, back to you.
All right, thanks, Jill.